Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So it's been a while since I done my Boxycharm stuff, so I kind of did what I should not have did. So my friend Jeannie, as I probably mentioned in a video before, actually got me the subscription to Boxycharm. I believe it's $21 a month. She got me a 6-month subscription as a gift from my wedding. I think this month was my 5th month. I am not sure, so I may or may not have one more coming after this. So I wanted to do a video, but she told me that I should have done it the day I got it, and I actually got it during the week but never got to do a video due to being extremely busy. So I'm going to do it today after using the products all week. Yeah, today the Tampa Bay Lightning are playing today, so ignore my getup. I also have very little makeup on because I am about to go to my daughter's visit. She has physical therapy to do. She is 2 months old, and she actually has torticollis. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. For those of you who don't know what torticollis is, I know it's completely off topic of makeup, but I'm just filling you in on my life. It's where one side of her neck, I believe the muscle is shortened, so it causes her to have a turn on her head. She was born with it, so basically her muscle is too short on one side and it's causing her to favor one side, which means the back of her head is getting flat, which is a totally different medical term for her flat head. So we have to bring her to that for physical therapy to try fix her neck, stop her looking that way, and get it all sorted. Anywho, so back onto my topic. I'm just explaining myself. Back onto our topic of makeup. So this month I did keep the card. I did not keep the box. I'm sorry, Jeannie, but I do still have my card to explain all the retail amounts. Yes, so this month we got 6 products instead of 5, which we normally get 5 products. This month we got 6. I do believe it was because it was a birthday thing. It was their Boxy Bash. I do believe I seen on their Instagram that it was their birthday or something like that, so they gave 6 products this month instead. So without further ado, let's just move on. So the first product, I do apologize, the brush is dirty. I did use it this morning to get ready. Is from the Estetica range. It is a face brush. It is synthetic. It is really super soft, and I have enjoyed using it this week that I have had it. It's really nice for applying powder and stuff, and it's really good. So I do like this. So I added to my collection. Back into the little. See, I have these cups. I'm gonna take this out. I got these in Walmart for my wedding, and I actually use them for my brushes. So, okay. So again, with Aesthetic, actually I'll go back and I'll say how much that is. So that is the P12 face brush. It retails at $27. So I mean, already there, $20, $21 a month, and then it's $27 for the brush. You've already got your money back. It's good. So then again with Estetica, again they did give us 3 more brushes. There's a spoolie, an angled brush, and a super thin liner brush. The spoolie, I already have one. I actually have an ingot one. I do like it because it's got a bend on it. It is dirty because I've been using it, but I have to clean it. But yeah, I like the bendy one better than this one, but I will use this one. I do a lot of special effects stuff, and that will help me when I'm using that. So I'll keep that one aside for that. They do say, the 3-piece i3O, they do say that this one is an eyeliner brush and you can use it to create different eyeliner shapes. I will not use this one for eyeliner, mostly because I do like to use the thinner angled ones. Like, it is fairly thick, I will probably use that for brows rather than a liner look, just as I said, out of my own preference. I'm sure it's still great, but I will not use it for that. And I have been using it for my eyebrows this week, so I will continue to do so. And the last one, this one is super thin. It is very good. I have found it very useful for my gel liner. I do have other ones similar to it, but they're not as sturdy, I guess. I like a thin one, like a thin pointed bristle that is sturdy enough to hold up for doing the wing, that's not going to fall apart and fray, and I have not had that issue with this one, so I do like that. I am onto a winner. And they said that 3-piece eye trio, $45. Oh yeah. Okay, and the next thing we got was the Cover FX. It is a blurring primer. I have also been using this all week. I am trying not to use it because I like it so much that I don't want to use it up. Yes, I do like it. It is a blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless, airbrushed look. And I have been really liking this because when you put it on, it is super velvety and soft, and I love it, and it makes my foundation look really good when I'm trying to create a nice flawless look. I did not put it on today. As I said, I just did a quick face, so I did not look like a homeless person going to the doctors. So that is my primer, and that retails at $38. So yeah, next we have the Pretty Vulgar ink liner. It is the ink Blacklist is the color, and I love this. I love the packaging of it. I love the way it's designed to look like a little inkwell. I really like it. I was expecting it to be a lot thicker when I was scooping it. It was very soft when you touch it, so it does smudge a little bit until it dries, but it is long lasting once I had it on. It's great. I really like this. I do use that since I ran out of gel liner, but I only use it for if I am going somewhere that I need it to stay. I mean, you always need your liner to stay on, but like a night out or something like that. So I have used it a little bit, but I haven't gone out too much to wear it. And that is $24. Ooh, and it says it's enriched with vitamin C to condition the lids too, and water resistant. So there you go. Okay, next is this one, Lippy. It is by Beauty Creations. It is a long wear matte lip gloss in the shade Kiss Me. I love the shade. I love the smell. I don't love how dry it is when I put it on. So what I have been doing is putting it on and then putting a gloss over. I wear, what I have on today actually is the Kat Von D lippies, and this one is the shade Mother. And what I love about the Kat Von D ones is I don't find them too drying. When I do that, I still have a bit of movement in my lips. When I put this on, I felt like my lips were sandpaper when I tried to rub my lips together to try spread it. I do love the color though, and that is what killed me, was I wanted to wear it for the color, but I didn't want to wear it for the feel. So I do tend now to put on a gloss over. I'm sorry, my phone is, I'm recording on my phone and I can see messages coming in from people. Sadie. So yeah, that is that, and that is $10. Does not. It says it dries to a seamless, smooth and matte finish. Matte it does do. I don't think it's smooth moving. Okay, and then the last thing is another Pure Cosmetics. It's dirty. You see why I should do this at once? It's dirty. But yeah, oh, did I just There was makeup on the back and I just touched it off my face. My goodness. Anywho, so this is Pure Cosmetics. We have gotten an awful lot of Pure Cosmetics. Actually, I think every box that I have had in my 6-month subscription has been Pure Cosmetics. Anywho, so this is the Sculptor palette. It is a contour and highlight palette. Okay, I do like it. I have been using it. The only thing is the colors I've been using mostly are the Originator and the Inventor. The reason I picked the Inventor is because it is lighter than the Founder. Even that, when it puts on, is so dark. Look. Karina Duffy makeup. Oh, can you see my ring light? Sorry, way off topic. I get so easily distracted. Anywho, so this is very dark when you put it on. And this, while it is nice, it's not as blinding as I like, but I do use it. I do really like it. Like if I show you, my hands have all the stuff on from touching it. So, see, it is really nice. They are really nice colors. And I know they look super blinding there, but when they're on my face, they're not as blinding as I do like. But they are lovely. They're nice and subtle and soft. And they're gorgeous. See? But these are very dark when they're on your face. But I do use them. They do blend out. That is the other thing though. They do blend out. I don't know where to put my hand. On a towel on my bed. Oh Jesus. But yeah, they do blend out. It was very scary when I went to contour my face and I did use this and I put it right up here and I looked like I had dived into a muck puddle. But it did blend out very nice and I did really like it. So I will be using that more and more. And that retails at $30. Yeah. So yeah, $30. Excuse me, 1 second. Coffee. The only thing to get me through the day. Anywho, yeah, so that is my Boxycharm for this month. I'm sorry if the video was too long. Is it flat? Yeah, but that is this month's video, and I will do more videos. I did get my ring light. Thank God. I don't quite have the camera stitch sorted yet. I am recording on my phone and still trying to figure out editing, but I will get there in the end, I promise you. And if you can, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, please, and comment anything that you might want to see the next time. I will eventually start doing special effects videos because I have gotten requests for that, and I will do those when I have the time. So until next time, thank you guys for viewing my video. Go Bolts, go Cooch, and yeah, see you next time guys, bye.